This is our last day today. He's going to Toronto.
And she's going to China. Japan.
No.
Africa?
No. America.
Oh, you're already in the Philippines. Where are you going? You're going nowhere. You're just going.
I'm going with you, babe.
Oh, that felt good.
Yeah, I'm going with you. What happened to you? What happened? I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything. No, you cannot. I love you, babe.
Love you too.
That's it. That's enough, babe.